With winter fast approaching, now's the time to get the garden sorted out, get the hedges, pruning, all that sort of stuff done. It can be a fairly daunting task, but Alex from the Stihl shop can make it easy.
Yeah, mate, we've got everything down there. We've got human-powered stuff, we've got electric, cordless, petrol, whatever you want. And
awesome.
yeah, it's all European, Japanese, high-quality stuff. So it's
I like the battery-operated stuff, and I was going to see if I could possibly lend one of the hedge trimmers from you. So
I thought as much. Just so happened I brought a bit of a loaner along with me, mate. Fully charged, raring to go. You get half a day out of this baby.
Right. I'll get one of the guys onto the hedges, and I'll start pruning the tree.
No worries.
Now we're going to be pruning off this crossing branch in this beautiful poinciana tree, and what we're going to be doing is a 3-cut process. So we're going to do an undercut, which is going to stop the bark from stripping when we cut the main branch, and we're going to cut the main branch here, and then we're going to trim off the stump back into here. Beautiful.
I believe this is yours, buddy.
It is, mate. Yeah. Awesome saw.
I'll take that back.
Yeah,
now,
great.
Right time of the year to do the trimming, I believe.
It is, mate. Yeah, we're coming into the cooler months, so the ideal time to get out there and start pruning and getting the garden organised. You've got some great gear at the Stihl shop on Aussie Park.
Yeah, we've got a whole range of European and Japanese stuff with a really sharp edge. If you want any of this gear, get online, stillshoposbournepark.com.au, and for the pruning tips.
Okay, tdl.com.au.
I reckon we're getting pretty good at this. What do you reckon?
Sensational, I think, yeah.